I'm Vince Montero, and your tip of the week is on when and how to use dynamic bidding. This feature automatically adjusts your bids in real time on Amazon. For brand new campaigns, you should start with dynamic bid down. That means Amazon will always take your bid down to just above the next highest bidder. So if your bid is $1, but the next highest bidder is 75 cents, you'll pay 76 cents. This is why your CPCs are always lower than your actual bid at this setting. Found in the campaign settings, dynamic bids up and down should only be utilized on established campaigns that have at least 50 sales a week. You'll want to make sure keywords and current bids are already performing well at this setting because Amazon will bid down, but they will also bid up to 100% more than your bid. So if your bid is $1, you'd potentially pay $2. Now this is good for competitive niches with dramatically fluctuating bid prices. Fixed bids is simply that. It's fixed and it's not something I recommend because you don't get to take advantage of potentially paying less than your bid. What you bid is what you'll spend. For more information on ads, please visit helium10.com/tools/ads.